What is inheritance tax? Inheritance tax is a tax on the estate, the property, money, and possessions of someone who has passed away. It's commonly referred to as IHT. How do you know if you'll pay inheritance tax? Usually, there is nothing to pay if either the value of the estate you receive is less than the £325,000 threshold, the person leaving you the estate is your spouse, civil partner, charity, or community amateur sports club. They gift you everything 7 years before they pass away. However, it's worth remembering that if the estate's value is below the threshold, you'll still need to report it to HMRC. If you're giving away your home to your children or grandchildren, the threshold increases to £500,000. The inheritance tax rate is 40% as standard. You'll only be charged on the part of your estate that's above the threshold. For example, if your estate is worth £400,000, inheritance tax will be 40% of £75,000, which is £400,000 minus the £325,000 threshold. However, you can pay inheritance tax at a reduced rate of 36% on some assets if you leave 10% or more of the net value to charity in your will. Inheritance tax may have to be paid after the death of the giver on some gifts they've given to you, especially if you received them less than 7 years before the person died. This depends on who you give the gift to and their relationship to you, the value of the gift, when the gift was given. Note that gifts can include money, property, land, stocks and shares, furniture, jewellery, and more. In some instances, you might be able to claim relief or be exempt from inheritance tax. Some gifts that were given to you when the person was still alive may be taxed after their death. Depending on when they gave you the gift, taper relief might mean that the IHT charged is less than 40%. Other forms of relief include business relief, which allows some assets to be passed on free of inheritance tax or with a reduced bill.